This is a tutorial for Have You Ever Seen the Rain by Clarence Clearwater Revival. If you would like to follow along with the music that's available, I found this on the San Jose Ukulele Club.org website. If you've never been there, it has that they have one of the best ukulele books out there. It's a great resource. It's really well and clearly written out. So even if you don't want to play the song, I would recommend taking a look. It's sanjoseukuleleClub.org. Okay, so I'm going to play the whole song through first, and then I'm going to break it down. This is great for beginners. There are quite a handful of chords, but when you're just in the learning process, you can ignore a lot of them. But for the first time through, I will play it all, and then I will show you where you can make accommodations when you're first learning it. Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hard. I know, been that way for all my time, till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow. I know, and it can't stop. I wonder, I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Okay, a few minor errors, but I think we can overlook them for now. All right, so the basic chords for these songs are really basic beginner chords. There is the C, right? Ring finger, third fret, first string, bottom string. And then there is the G, right? Index finger, second fret, third string, middle finger, same second fret, first string, and then your ring finger on the third fret, second string. Sounds like this. And the first part of the song goes from a C to a G. So, basically if you think of going from the C, hopping your finger over one, hopping the ring finger over one, and then placing these two, right? I always like to talk about transportation and think of what finger is going to lead you to where you're going. So this one's already down, just move it up, and you make your G. And a lot of the song is C and G. And then there'll be a point where you transition into the chorus, where you go C to C7, right? C7 is just the first fret, first string. So let's skip the intro for now because that has some other complications. But I'm just using a basic down, down, up, down. So if you're very new, you could just go down, down, down. The song is in 4/4, so you could just go, someone told me long ago. All right, so do it at your pace. A lot of times when I start a song for the first time, I might just walk through it with just one strum at a time, like, someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. And then hop this finger over and make your G. I know it's been coming. And then you switch back to the C. And so then you just, once again, you lead with this finger, right? Lead with the ring finger. Let your other fingers go and just drop back down. So you're kind of going back and forth like this for the first couple of measures, okay? So where were we? I know it's been coming. And then drop down to the C for some time. Then you continue with the C. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. And then back to the G, jog your finger over, put your other two in place. I know, shining down like, and then back to the C, water, and then C7. And then this is where we get into the refrain, and we go to the F next. The F is the index finger, second string, first fret, right there. And then the middle finger on the top string, the fourth string, second fret. So it's like this, okay? And if you've never played an F before, I would suggest, you try playing every string so that you know that your fingers are curved and you're not, for example, if your fingers are too flat, you might be touching other strings. So try it a few times. Here, here, and play it through clearly, right? Tips of your fingers, not flat of your fingers, because that's when you'll mess up your other strings. Okay. So the F is next. So we're coming from the C to the C7 to the F. So when you go from the C7 to the F, you really, once again, think about, well, what finger is the one that's on there? It's the index. All you have to do is move that over one, right? You go from here, and then you're going here, and then you're putting your middle finger down. So it's and it's almost like a sort of a toggle, because you're kind of like this, and then you toggle this way, right? So if you kind of think of it that way. So let's just go from the G to the C to the C7. So where it goes, I know, shining down like water, then to the C7, and then the F. I wanna. Now, here we're going from the F to the G. Okay, and again, when I talk about how to get from one chord to another, I try to think about what finger is going to lead me there. So to get from the F to the G, beginners have a hard time doing this because they're taking their whole hand off and then they're trying to reconfigure everything. So when you're going from the F to the G, think of your middle finger just dropping down to here. And one exercise I often make people do is go from the F to a that's a C major 7, right? F, and then so that you can just think about dropping that middle finger to this position from the F to the C major 7. And then from the F to the C major 7 to the G, right? Because your finger is already there. Then you just have to put these two down, right? We learned the G just a while ago with the middle finger, first string, 2nd fret, index finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret again, and then the ring finger here. So if you kind of focus from the F, you're thinking, okay, I'm going to drop my middle finger here, and then plunk. Okay, so you're going to go, I want to know, have you ever... Okay, so again, G to C is really easy because you're just dropping this finger. Have you ever... And then this is where we go to the C major. Now here, so far we've only played one chord per measure. This next measure is going to be split up into 2 chords. So it's going to be count of 2 for the C, then down to the C major, right? The chord that I just showed you to sort of practice dropping your finger, right? So that's 2nd fret, 1st string. So you're just going to go, have you ever seen? And then we go to an A minor. A minor is the same fret, but you just move that middle finger up to the top. Okay, so have you ever seen? And then up the rain. Okay, just one finger. These are all super simple chords. Rain. And then everyone's favorite chord, the A minor 7, which is completely open. Okay, so again, these are all half measure chords. So have you ever seen the rain? All right, one more time. Have you ever... Sorry, I like to use my ring finger. Have you ever seen the rain? All right, and then you repeat that. So here you end on this open chord, right? So you have all the time in the world to figure out that you're about to go to an F. So then, again, we're back to the F, here and here. I want to know, have you, once again, ever seen the rain? And then back to the F. Come in, G, drop that middle finger, and down on a sunny day. So let's just go over that part. Okay, here we go. And you can just do, if you're beginning, then just follow me doing a strum whenever you can. For this particular song, since it's in 4/4, my default is generally this: down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down. Okay, down, down, up, down. If you've never done that before, it's a good thing to just kind of practice on your own. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. And you will see me, just because by virtue of going up and down so many times, I will often catch another up on the way up. So it's just, sometimes it's down, down, up, down. Sometimes it's down, down, up, down, up. But just think of it as down, down, up, down until you're better at this. Okay, so I'm going to play this slowly from the beginning, and I'll call out the chords. Okay, so we start with a C. Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. We changed to G. I know, and it's been coming C for some time. Down, down, up, down. When it's over, so they say, it'll here's a place where there's a half measure that I haven't mentioned before. So it's when you're making the transition to the chorus after water, which is a full measure, and then it's 1, 2, C7. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then into the F, right? C7, toggle into the F. Oops. I want a G, no. Have you C? C major 7, A minor 7, F. I want to know, have you ever C major 7, A minor 7, and F, coming G down on a sunny day. So that's not terribly difficult for a beginner, right? Some of the chords may sound scary, like C major 7, A minor 7, but actually they're all really simple chords. I mean, you have 1, 2, 3, 3 one-finger chords, 4 one-finger chords, and then you have the open chord. I mean, how good can that get, right? So if you want to make it a little more difficult, once you've kind of gotten the song. So if you're looking at this music, there's a little tablature. You can ignore that until you actually know what a tablature is. And you just play the chords that are above the tablature. So in the intro, at the end of the chorus, and at a little interval during the verse, there is a place where you play C, C major 7, A minor 7, and G. And it goes very quickly, but it's not terribly difficult. So when you first start the song, just ignore that portion, the little block that says C, C major 7, A minor 7, G. You can write this in, you can strum C twice, and then G twice. And if you're playing with a group and they're playing either the notes on the tablature or doing the, then you'll still sound fine with them. Okay, so you could, so there are three ways to do it. So let's just take the end of the chorus. The way it's written is, coming down on a sunny day, and then you go, yesterday, and so it's, and it doesn't necessarily, you could go down, 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 down. I go down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. But just the same thing, to make it simple, you can go down, 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 down. Okay, the G gets a down, down. All right, and then you go right back into the C for the verse. Okay, so let's try that. Let's try that once with just doing the simplified version, where you split the measure up into just a C and a G. So you would go, let's just do the whole chorus, and I'll call out the chords. So from the F, I want a G. Have you C, C major, A minor 7, F. I want a G. Have you C, C major, A minor 7, F. Coming G on a sunny day. And then da 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 da. See, I just said C and G. And then yesterday. All right, so if you want to take some time to learn the little da 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 da, again, it's not terribly difficult, so it will add a little pizzazz to your song and still be a pretty easy song. So let's go from F, coming G down on a sunny day, 2, 3, 4, C, C major 7, A minor 7, G. Yesterday. And then you go into the next verse. And then, since I played the song all the way through, you probably noticed that I repeated the chorus at the end. So when you go into the repeat, just remember you're going the same. But instead of going to the C, as you did previously, you go to the F, to the beginning of the chorus, right? So, I wanna know, right? Okay, so let's go through this whole song, and I'm going to call out the chords the entire time. We'll go very slowly. We're going to play the introduction, which, if you're looking at the music, it starts with an A minor, F, C, G, C, and then it does a little C major, A minor 7, G, ja, 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 ja thing. So, but we'll go through it very slowly. And, since I've talked about transportation before, it's very nice to start with that A minor into the F, right? Because your A minor, once again, middle finger, top string, 2nd fret. And then when you move into the F, then you just put your pointer on the 1st fret, right? I don't know if you can see that. Oh, that's a good view. Okay. So you go A minor. Oh, sorry, A minor, that's an F. A minor, F, then C, then G, then C, and then sorry, I should have called those out. C major, C major 7, A minor 7, G, and then C. Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm, G, I know, and it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. And then G, I know, shining down like one, C, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, C, 7, and F. I want a G, no. Have you C major 7, A minor 7, F. G, no. Have you C major 7, A minor 7, F. Come in, G down on a sunny day, 2, 3, 4, C major 7, A minor 7, G, C. Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hard, I, G, know. Been that way for C all my time. And here we have that C major 7, A minor 7, G, till C, till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow. I know G, no, and it can't stop. I see wonder, and then 1, 2, C, 7, 3, 4, F. I want a G, no. Have you C major 7, A minor 7, F. I want a G, no. Have you C major 7, A minor, A minor, A minor 7, F, coming G down on a sunny day, 2, 3, 4, C major 7, A minor 7, G, and then F. I wanna know, G, no, have you seen C major 7, A minor 7, F. I wanna G, no, have you seen C major 7, A minor 7, F. Going G down on a sunny day, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, C. So again, just in case you're having a hard time with a, then just do da da. So down, 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 down. So C and then to G, then da da da, or C into G, then okay. So now let's try to play this up to speed. If you're not ready for it, turn the video off now, because it is quite a bit faster. And if you listen to the original song, they actually start out with something like a, which you don't have to do, but it's kind of fun. It's just, what is it? Down, up, down. So it's down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so maybe once you've gotten the song all together, listen to it, say, oh yeah, I can do that. It's just down, up, down, and then going into the strum. So here we go. C. Actually, it's probably a little bit fast. Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm, G. I know it's been coming, C, for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day, G. I know, shining down like water. 1, 2, C7, F. I want a G, no, have you seen C major 7, A minor, oh sorry, A minor 7, F. I want a G, have you seen C major 7, A minor 7, F. Coming down G on a sunny C day. Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hard, G. I know, been that way for C all my time, and here we go. Till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow, G. I know, and it can't stop. I C, wonder, C to C7 and F. I want a G, have you seen C major 7, A minor 7, F. I wanna know, sorry, G, have you seen C major 7, A minor 7, F. Coming G on a sunny day, and then here we go with the little rep, C, A minor 7, G, F. I want a G, have you seen have fun with this.